Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we would be discussing BABB Bax. Is Bax ready for 2024? We would be discussing that in this video, so it's watch till the end. It is going to be an interesting one. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins as well as the potential gems as well. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, then do hit the notification bell and subscribe the channel. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, where we have exclusive content time to time. So if you're interested, do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of BAX at the time of the recording. BAX is up 0.66% for the day, dollar 0.001399. Market cap is dollar 9.7 million, approximately dollar 10 million, and a fully diluted market cap of dollar 14 million, guys, approximately. I'll be honest with you guys. Uh, Basically, guys, Bax has to run in this bull run. To be honest, investors have waited a lot with this one. This basically launched in 2018. It had a boom, 0.009, went down, plummeted, went to lows. Then in the 2021 bull run as well, it went to 0.0020. So it has had periodic boosts. To be honest, the chart, if you look at the chart in terms of the trajectory, this isn't good. Yeah, that this defines that, yeah, it pumps and then it falls and then it pumps without breaking all-time high, and then it falls, and then time to time it pumps and then dumps, pumps and dumps, like that sort of stuff. If you look at the chart, purely look at the chart, guys. But the Bax community with which I have basically communicated and as well as followed, they say that Bax basically has been building during this entire time, and these periodic bumps are a part of those building phases and the news that have time to time come. So BAB, if it were not a good project, it would basically be dead, and the team would be basically the team would vanish. So that are some of the rationale and points that the BAB members delineate, and they point out that it is regulated. BAB is one of the most regulated coins and projects out there. It is regulated in the UK by their FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, I think, and a lot of partnerships. And now in the next bull run, it is going to be increasing in market cap and price simultaneously. So, guys, as I said, that this upcoming bull run, would be a really defining point for BAB, that where it would go, because a lot of investors are basically waiting for this bull run. Anyways, guys, let me show you some of the progress and what BAB has been up to. Ready for 2024. This is a post. Fintech trends to watch in 2024. DeFi dominance. If you do not know, guys, BAP basically has a very, very well-rated app as well, and now they are planning to launch their blockchain, known as Re-Defi, a payment-optimized chain, basically, and BAB app, basically BAB. But what BAB aims to do is basically it is targeting the unbanked. There are 1.7 billion people in the globe that do not have access to banks, and they do not have bank accounts. So these are the targets of BAB. So that is a huge number. If they can basically do what they aim to do, it has potential. This is why I'm covering it. It has potential, but they need to be serious this time around in terms of the development. And this bull run is make or break, in my opinion. I mean, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion. DeFi dominance. DeFi is on the rise, eliminating intermediaries, putting financial services directly in the hands of users. It is about financial inclusion and empowerment. contactless payments surge with BABB debit card. We're staying ahead with innovative contactless solutions, making transactions faster and safer. Sustainability in fintech, sustainable finance, green is the new coin. BABB leads the way in eco-friendly banking practices. So basically, this it aims to be eco-friendly, green. That is the way ahead going forward, guys. A lot of pressure groups are rising in terms of environmental groups and all of that stuff, guys. A lot of seminars taking place all over the globe, conventions and all of that, guys. So up until this point, guys, in 2023, this is the BAB and Re-Defi journey. So this was published in December 22nd on December 22nd, 2023. BAB Re-Defi end of 2023. So what we can expect further, guys, because according to this Medium post, they've had progress. So it is not like that they haven't are not making progress. So it is only a matter of time when it breaks out, according to the team. According to the community. Strategic alliances and product launches, partnerships, our collaboration with Clearbank and Rail SR marked a significant step forward, leading to the successful launch of GBP accounts and debit cards. This alliance is a testament to our commitment. So obviously, they're saying that we're constantly innovating and expanding expansion by adding 15 new countries to our supported list. We've broadened our reach. Euro integration in partnership with Modular. We're gearing up to launch Euro accounts and debit cards. So being active in Europe is really great. Euro integration is great. Security, we've revamped the BABB app with the latest security standards and upgraded infrastructure. So that is also awesome. We in these times, guys, where hacks happen and all of that stuff happen, guys, they have to have a great security. Re-Defi introduced the Re-Defi project to the public. Like I told you guys, this is basically their chain payment integrated and targeted for the bankless and all of that stuff, collecting valuable feedback, and we continue improving the product through rigorous testing. There was also a sort of controversy a bit when they basically did a feedback that whether it should be a layer one or layer two, I think, and that sort of stuff. People said that like do whatever you want. Like we need development, we need enhancements, basically improvements, expansion, and all of that. It has been a while that you have been launched since 2018, so just do it and get over it. We just need to go to the moon. Basically, that is the requirement. So these things happen with time. There are a lot of projects that develop, and I really like those projects that develop in the bear market, but rigorous development should have an impact on the price as well in the long run, because basically a lot of people, obviously a lot of people are here for good investments that can give them good return, guys. Yeah, a lot of there are people who are basically interested in the tech aspect of things in crypto, but most of us basically are there for good tech, plus we need that ROI as well. So what do you guys think? Who's here for the tech? Who's here for ROI? Or do you have a hybrid sort of agenda that yeah, we are interested in tech, where this market is going, this industry is going, as well as ROI as well, that we need returns. On-chain money, the most anticipated and newest narrative in DeFi and traditional financial markets. It is a better alternative to stablecoins and aims to mirror traditional banking accounts on-chain. So guys, they've got that integration on-chain as well, the stablecoin integrations and all of that stuff, guys. And they've got their first banking partnership with the Clearbank self-custody wallet, offering users autonomy and security in transactions. So they've got their wallet also. They've got a line of product suites, guys. So they have been developing, and they have been forging partnerships, and they are also regulated. They're regulated in UK, and all of that stuff is happening. So it is not like that the project does not have potential. Like I've heard a lot of people saying that no, it is dead, but I think it has potential, but things need to get in line, I think. Bax evolution. Bax will adopt the RDF20 token standard and will serve as a layer 1 token in our ecosystem. So Bax is going to be having its utility and it's going to be used as a layer 1 token, guys, leaving our mark in the global arena. Web Summit participation. So they have been active in the marketing aspect of things. Crypto Wharf event, welcoming new talent. They have been hiring, looking ahead Q1 and beyond. So this is their basically a roadmap, you can say, set to launch in Q1 2024. EUR account and debit cards. On-chain money, one of our most anticipated launches for our product, aims to go live in Q1 to Q2 2024. Re-Defi blockchain, guys. Currently, we are in the DevNets phase. In Q1, we will transition to the testnet phase. So that is great for public feedback and demonstration of its capabilities. We expect this to be live by the end of Q1 next year. So that is also great. I mean, a rough estimate that Q1 2025, this is going to be active. GBP debit cards, we're refining our GBP debit cards in collaboration with our new partner. Modular, more details will follow after the holiday period. Private sale, announce the private sale in the Crypto Wharf event. This will be exclusively for users holding Bax and who wish to purchase the red token, guys. So yeah, this was it for the video, guys. What do you guys think about Bax? Do you guys think that the next bull run is a make or break for it if it doesn't run and basically reach the highs and crosses a $90 million market cap and moves beyond to 500 million or a billion at least? I mean, it should if it plans to basically target 1.7 billion people. That is a lot of money that is going to be injected into the system. But what do you guys think? If it doesn't basically break out at least in the next 2 or 3 years to test these resistance line and break out to the highs, do you think it would fail, or do you still believe in Bax that in the long run eventually this is going to be passing to billions? So what do you guys think? Do hit the comment box below, because for me, guys, I think this next bull run is going to be extremely important. If it doesn't perform well, I think the investors would lose confidence. That is my take. Basically, you guys can agree or disagree. Hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in utility coins as well as other potential gems, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, where we have exclusive content. Anyways, guys, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.